Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to leverage on how to take advantage of the Facebook Media Library. It's a professional way to carefully plan for your ad campaigns, okay? So let's say once you're done creating or having your creatives ready for your ad, which is your flyer, your videos, which you want to use to run ads on Facebook or on Instagram or both, or you want to explore all other placements available on Meta. So the Facebook Media Library helps you to upload your creatives on Facebook, which you could still access while setting up your ad campaign at the ad level on the Facebook Ads Manager or Meta Ads Manager on your desktop or laptop computer. So you could use this to effectively plan for your ad campaign. That is just the beauty. So you don't really have to upload your videos or your flyers when setting up the ad campaign. So this could save you time where you dedicate a separate time to focus on uploading your creatives on Facebook platform before doing other setup, maybe at the campaign level or at the ad set level. So let's jump right straight into this video so you can start enjoying the use of Media Library. So visit business.facebook.com/latest/home. So this will take you directly to the business suite, Meta Business Suite. All right. Okay. Now we're going to switch to the particular business portfolio account we want to use. Okay, so we'll click on this drop down here. So you could either search for the business asset or you scroll down to find it. Okay, so we're going to be using Bondly. Okay, so you could see Bondly. Then we're going to switch into it now. So you could either go through the file manager or you go to the creative folder under the data sources. So I'm going to click on all tools and show you how to access file manager. Okay, so you could scroll down here and find file manager. So this is file manager. So we'll click on it. Okay, another way you could do this is to go to Media Library. So you could access Media Library by clicking on this button, or you could also create a folder here. But this video, we're focusing on Media Library. So click here to visit Media Library. I'm going to show you another method you could use to access Media Library. So let's assume we are back at the home. So if you want to find Media Library, you simply click on Settings. Next, you scroll down at the left-hand bar till you find Data Sources. So you click on Data Sources. Next, you click on Business Creative Folders. This is where you could also access the Media Library. Okay, so you click on Add. You could also create a folder here before visiting it. So once we click on the Add button, we're going to create a file. So let's just give it a normal name, Bondly Creatives. Okay, so click on Create Folder. Okay, so I'm already assigned. You could also assign other admins by clicking on the assigned people. Then you select them and mark it up. Okay, here you could add your partners by clicking on assign partners. So let's open the business creatives. So this takes us directly to Media Library. They will usually ask you to authenticate. So you might need to authenticate by using an OTP. So we'll click on the business. Okay, before we do that, you could also create a new folder here by clicking on create folder. Okay, so let's just create one. I'm going to show you. Just call this test, then create folder. So you're going to see that there's going to be two now. So we'll click on the Bondly Creatives. Inside a folder, you can also create another folder. So you can click it here. Click here to create a folder. Since it's a new folder, you could add your video or your photos or your flyer by clicking here. But usually you should do that from here. So we'll click on add elements. Then we'll click on add images and videos. That's what we want to upload. So click on that button. So click on choose files on device. So we're going to upload 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so click on open. So this is how it works. We're almost done here. All right, so we're good to go. So click on done. So this is the flyer. This is a video saved with iPhone MOV at MOV 5 format. Then this is a video and a video. Okay, so we'll also click to view. We've made several videos on our professional Facebook and Instagram ads on how to use creatives gotten from this point for your ads. Okay, click on view details after selecting. So you could see, you could also download the content here. It's very easy. So you click on view details. This is the video. As well play it if you want. See a download button here as well. Okay, so let me show you this last one. Then view details. So this is how to use the media library. All right, guys. So see you in our next video, and bye for now. You could also explore other options here, like the ad account media. Here you're going to find all the creatives you've uploaded on your ad account while setting up your ad. So you simply click on this drop down and select the ad account.